fish. Oh, and it's something different. Not a... Can't tell what it is right now. Hank's working hard to bring it in. Gary's going to gaff it. If it's another mahi-mahi, we're just going to catch and release.
That's not a mahi-mahi.
What is it?
Wahoo.
Oh, we caught a wahoo.
Oh, no. Oh, yes, we're going to eat that.
Yeah, so this one we'll keep because we haven't had this yet. Oh, it's beautiful. It's rainbow colored. The head, I think, worked well. Here Hank comes. He's on the slippery part.
So I've got it done.
And there it is. Hank's biggest
look
fish.
At the fish you caught.
Good job, Hank. Well done. That was hard to play that one, huh?
I think this is the one they say to do.
Uh-oh.
To use, make steak.